Hi everyone. Are you 18 years of age as of 1st January 2022? Then you're eligible to apply for an EPIC or a voter ID card.
I'm turning 18 soon, but I don't know what to do.
Well, it just takes 5 minutes. You can either download the Voter Helpline app or you can go to voterportal.eci.gov.in and fill out Form 6. This is the form needed for you to enroll for voter ID.
Wow! I never knew it was this easy. It really took just 5 minutes. Thank you.
And that's not all. The Voter Helpline app and the website can also be used to shift your assembly constituency, Form 6, and to correct any incorrect information on your voter ID, Form 8. Why stand in line when you can enroll online?
At around 1:30 p.m. on Sunday, a resident of NONGHYLLAM Southwest KHASI Hills District, Andrew HAHSHAH, who was travelling with his driver from Shillong to his village, was ambushed at RAJAJU by a group of around 17 to 18 suspected Bangladeshi individuals who were alleged to have assaulted HAHSHAH and his driver with pistols and local DAOS. HAHSHAH informed that while the unidentified miscreants were able to run away with a cash amount of about Rs 14 lakhs, he and his driver were left behind with injuries on their backs and head.
Itu long kan dekat skill handy kan. Te la check ye kali boro te ya mobile ru ki dung da kawai untuk ki press pressure jorong ki dung untuk berat nata ki yang la phami sabar la sai sabar kali la apna dengan rendang te ngam I to we bro apna da pistol ngam benda khon untuk mo. Mathrai da dung da kawai ya dia we te ki khatlut untuk ngam durun to. La nirbos ya tem bede dong ata kapor ki don badung yang ana din nanena met kan kidung da kawai hi dung da kawai sausin samsin gunto kidung anta na rendang ro panap te don to we na te nak smart ro panap da pistol kan te yau driver ro I panap armut pistol ya kali lang atawer gunto da gitu kibru hi khar bangla hi
orang kibri
khar bangla
film itu bagi ki khar bangla
hoi ki khar bangla hi
dan kumbakat nongut ya
kidon khatnyo ka prangot
hapor kano beje ka ja
kabaje tengi ginti su nomor baka ya mobile kila kani kila upload gitu tengi atharai sibeje stiang e gumto hi
tu kila
de benje po sibeje stiang e hata ka porba salte ni dan bre bawan e ro ba mi ha ki ke kapor lu tengi to ngachu expect gumto arla minute thrai kam simpor te mas de bute gumto ki ra na kapla janga hang tu apla kadon kita janga bangun banai bai notri into nomor nga da promotion into te nomor ai bai notri bai into mo te kadon kat solak kita
kila yo khat saulak
kila ra pizza kat solak hoi kila ber pelajaran kat solak te hadin gumto pat la phanoi ni te ki utai bodang pistol yu panabe gumto jauh untuk tu hang beda kecil mustang gitu. La pami lagi itu minum tu pada tengi lena dari saya PlayStation nonglam kan. Ina ai use jang sarane.
kila FIR tu
Mi kam ai FIR tengi su kontip kom tu information te kini kila ken yuhi ki la tresitom ni masum yo jengtip kom tu nangi kila dress wood kom tu tang hadin arla minit kila mi no nang na thanat kila lebe hi pada lap shu ma
samlap din syu
lap din shu ha
tika mut phim padbu FIR adu matama
nganam bu FIR kumno ken haba kideki nolute ma ha
tato kata kacang hati iklam don paman sau
teman mangai alon tarin rendang bat na situng dan sitin tak white ma betul mangai driver tu su panap pistol su syok kum tu belum malah nak kali te ki fadam be support string deh
so menta phila wan seni ne pinang don ha hasil
ni len session nong hi
pinang senong lam
hoi dan nong lam mata dan ni thanat ni mata nomor ke jom istar nero I benkam yo ma
Trời.
xin statement
Họ ini statement. To.
ha
To khuble shibun phila.
khoi to ko le shibun ni piro ta
La simak podem ki ngre to. Tam
tam le le ta
banyo ka jing sisata baka to.
khoi
Talo.
so ngi ban ai ko bor nomor ba tam long alat ki wei rumo kanam yem klumar la ne ban yum ta mo
Họ to.
anti hai ta
To khuble shibun.
hai to ko le shibun
Following the incident, the KHASI Students' Union, Southwest Khasi Hills District, under the leadership of its General Secretary Jates Khem Nongsiet, met the Deputy Commissioner of the district, C. Kharkongor, to demand for the border security forces to perform their duty with due diligence so as not to allow intruders from Bangladesh to enter into India through the Meghalaya border. Members of the student body also demanded thorough patrolling of the Ranikor-Nonghyllam road to prevent such incidents, failing which the KHASI Students' Union would have to take the law into their own hands and are not to be targeted or blamed by the government for the same should something untoward happens.
Nong lute ki bede ki khar Bangladesh kumba khat phra khat khandai ngut ye ki la bat ya ka we kali jong produk persam jungi bat kila yo rong ka pisa ka ba la da ki polak te kini ki khar Bangla ki ba rungtu ki ba wan sha India berkat ki tiar ki pen mensau ki wat ki ding ki don ru kumba katu ka ningut ki ba bat ki tiar set ki pistol te nakapor shakapor ni jukendu ki bor district akabai day wat ka jingrung jingmi laj lut jung kini ki illegal Bangladeshi hakani ki than border jong ka southwest ti kani ngi iwa ka day ka jing simsting jong ki BSF nomor ba kaladon ka jing kendu sisin hang ne po DC office hakataka sngi don ADC ti kini ki BSF ki ong ba ka jing ka jong ki kalong ba kisam sitom ban identify kita ki Bangladesh bat kita ki lokal te kane ka company ya ka jingtlot jong kita ki sipai pahara kaput lene kita ki BSF ban ya dai ka jingrung jingmi jong kini ki khar Bangla te ka jing kandu jungi mtai DC la kerpat ba nakaliang ki bor district ba ki pan klanyi ki bor pahara da ka ba kin pha ban patrolling no ya kan ka surok Ranikor Nongjiri mit bat sngi bat itu ki Shillong itu kaput ki ba jujian kapor kini ki kampen trim din nagling DC ha ba de bakta ka banta ila kular ba insale ya kan ka banta